Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your speaker QCY SP7 with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard. Then write Bluetooth, and if you see Bluetooth and other devices, you need to press at this line or click Enter. After that, at the right top we have a button Add Device. You need to click at this button. If you have Windows 10, you will have this button at the top. Now, in this window, you need to select Bluetooth. Then we need to turn on the speaker. So press and hold power button at the top of the speaker. Here we go. And if your device do not connect it with another devices, it will enter to pairing mode automatically. And we know it by this blue LED light, but also we can enter to pairing mode manually by press one time at the Bluetooth button, what located near to the power button. And we just enter to pairing mode manually, so we should see it at the device list. And right here we have the speaker, click on it, and then click Done. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!